Hi, thanks for watching. My name is Lisa and I hope you like and subscribe. This is Renji Abara's gratuitous cameo for the video. He is about to kill a plastic snake full of peanut butter. So if you hear him on the floor, that's what it is. So whoever invented this snake is a genius. You just take peanut butter and squeeze it in little spots and it'll keep them occupied forever. Not too much peanut butter though. Hey! Today's bag of the day is the beautiful Louis Vuitton Vintage Time Trunk Speedy. I believe it's a 30. It's either a 25 or a 30, but it's beautiful. She's gorgeous. And of course, the new tag. And that's the bag of the day. There's plenty of things inside, but I'll spare you. So, today's video is actually not, I wouldn't say a do-over, but it's a follow-up to a video I did that I never posted. I mistakenly allowed Renji to just roam around the floor and not keep him occupied and didn't notice that basically he cut my head off with the video, so all you can see is pretty much my nose on top for everything that I showed. But my girl is back, the doctor bag. I did a video about the process and the repair and everything else, but it's fine. We've already moved on and my girl is back, so I'm super happy about that. So today's unboxing is two actually, and I wanted to share with anybody who lives in Hawaii the process for Louis Vuitton buying online. So if you buy online, if it's something that they have in their warehouse, they will ship it to you directly. But let's just say it's in a mainland store, which this one particular item was. It was actually two. One was in a Louis Vuitton store and one was in a Bloomingdale's. And I thought, okay, I have a better chance of getting it from a Louis Vuitton store because I had communicated with the sales girl and she was like, oh my God, you know, it's in pristine condition, never on display, blah, blah, blah. Because she know, well, I guess she figured it out that I wouldn't say picky, but I'm selective about certain things. So, about a week later, I noticed that my card had hit a refund and I was like, what's that about? And then I get a text from her saying, hey, I'm really sorry, but Louis Vuitton will not ship from a mainland store to a Hawaii address. Okay, fine. It's not her fault. What can you do, right? That's the store's policy. That's what it is. So I go back through the 800 number and say, hey, it's in this Bloomingdale's. Here's my contact info again. Can you please have someone reach out? Okay, fine. Lady sends me the link, blah, blah, blah. And of course, it's, you know, the reason I wanted to go through an actual Louis Vuitton store was because I know how I am. And she said, well, we can't guarantee it's never been on display. We can't guarantee it's pristine. We can't guarantee all these things, right? So I was kind of like, okay, fine. I'll just look at it. Okay. Pay for it. Okay. Get a tracking number. A week later, I look at the UPS tracking number and it still says ready for pickup. So I message her again and again and again. It took, I think it was 13 days for them to actually ship it to me. And I was very disappointed with the way it works out because apparently Bloomingdale's doesn't normally ship their luxury goods to Hawaii without some extra step. And I get it that she was unaware of that step, but it was still annoying that I had to keep reaching out to her saying, hey, you know, what's the deal? So anyway, I got my box and I'm happy. And of course, it's the regular Louis Vuitton box and the ribbon and all the good stuff. And after all of that, it is not exactly what I thought it was. I thought I was getting a scarf, like a thicker winter scarf, but this is more of a shawl, very thin, but I like it. And I don't think it's been used or displayed because it doesn't smell funny. But it's a huge shawl. It is big and I really like it. So Although it wasn't exactly what I thought it was, I can still work it out, and I'm gonna keep it because it reminds me of Stacy, you'll know this one. When the Navy went to blue camouflage, that's what it reminds me of, and I think it's beautiful. So that was one thing, and I'm sure I'll work out some way to wear it. And I really like the pattern, so no matter what, I'm gonna keep it because I like the pattern, and that's that. But the next item, that's the star of the show. My next item is a Louis Vuitton Korea exclusive. And I wanted this bag from the moment I saw it. I saw it, I believe it was Foxy LV who posted it, that I saw it first. And then I saw everybody else reposting, and I was just like, yeah, I'm in love. Here's all of my lunch money, all right? Oh. But come to find out, Korea only. And I even saw, oh, I forgot her name. Someone else posted, and they talked about how disappointed they were that it was Korea only. And I ended up getting this from one of the resellers in the Facebook groups. Her name is Lena. Hi, Lena. And she seemed really nice. She sells me the bag. She prints a label immediately. I can tell she dropped it off the next day. And then, poof, it disappears in the post office for like, I would say 2.5 weeks. And I was very disappointed. Very. It had nothing to do with her or her salesmanship or anything like that. She filed a claim or a tracer with the post office immediately after the first week. There was no other scan. And finally it popped up. So I'm happy now. And I know that this bag is not for everyone. But then again, neither am I. So I like what I like. And this bag, oh my goodness, it doesn't want to come out. I think is just my vibe. Oh, okay. I'm gonna turn a little so you can see how she packed it. So, oh, if you noticed me throwing my boxes, is because I'm gonna flatten it and recycle it. I am no longer keeping Louis Vuitton boxes unless it's something, a big one, where I think I want, or something I think I want to store something in. If you look around my room, most of my boxes are full of neatly folded dust bags, so that when I'm looking for a dust bag, I know exactly where it is. So, oh, please be perfect. Please be perfect. This is the Louis Vuitton reverse monogram Atlantis bag in GM. Woo! I already love it. I love it. She's beautiful. The snap is perfect, slouchy. You can tell she's a little stiff because she hasn't been worn yet, but I'll work that out. Oh my goodness. She comes with a little pouch on the inside. Oh, she's clipped in. Oh, okay. Oh, she has her tag on it from where she's a reseller. Oh, how cute. Oh, that's sweet. And you get a face mask. Very cute. A green tea face mask. Or I guess it could be body. A eyeglass cap pouch. Very cute. And I can always use one of these. This is one of those charm holder things. You put it on the table and then you can hang your bag on the floor, because I do not set my bags down on the floor unless it's in my own house. So there's that. And it comes with a black strap. Oh, what is this clip to? Oh, okay. So it does come with a strap wait a minute. Yeah, so it does come with a strap, and then I probably won't use it. I know me, and I will probably just wear it just like this, drawn through, and be just as happy. So this is her, the Louis Vuitton Atlantis bag. Let's see. No pockets inside, but you know, with a slouchy hobo style bag, you really don't, I don't need pockets because I have enough SLGs, and I like to keep my stuff in SLGs. So there's that. Hang on while I cut the string off of this tag here. Boop, 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 boop. So there we go. So be prepared to be sick of this bag on Instagram. This one, and now that my girl is back, the doctor bag, be prepared. Heavy rotation. And I didn't ask if I could post her information on this video, but I will ask her, and if she says no problem, I will post a link or her information below. Renji. Well, there goes that Bloomingdale's box because he's going to tear it up. So, there's that. And, yep. This is for clipping in. Oh my gosh. I'm going to use this pouch for a gazillion things. And I'm saying that, but I know me. I have the Louis Vuitton Neverfull pouch similar to this, and I don't use it for anything. Hang on, let me grab it. Okay, so here we go. This is the one from the Neverfull, and this is the one from the Atlantis GM. So as you can see, the Neverfull, they're about the same height, but the Neverfull one is just a smidge, maybe 1/4 of an inch longer, but basically they're the same. And I have to admit that I like the Neverfull one better because one, it's lined, and two, it has that little slit pocket. So if you just want to stick one little small thing there, you can. As to where this one is just, well, it is lined, but it's not a decorative lining, and it is just one empty pouch. And here you can see where it says Louis Vuitton Soul, the date, and made in Italy. So hopefully you can see that. And she also gave me the receipt for it, so that's that. Okay, I figured out how to put the strap on, and will I wear it like this? Absolutely not. But it's cute to have it. I can honestly say I probably will take that off and probably just never use it. So, and the luggage tag is adorable, and it has a little spot for your actual information. I guess if you wanted to travel with it or something like that, but this is going to be an everyday work bag for me. Uh-oh, somebody is getting a little healthy over, you know, a little frisky over here with the boxes, so please don't mind if my camera moves. So, also, I was surprised to see that on the inside there is no pocket, but there is a bottom to it. Oh, that's the person who sold it to me's tag, which I still haven't checked yet with her to see if I could post it or not. But it actually has a bottom to it, so it's gonna be not saggy in the middle, which I like. And I think once it loosens up a little bit, I'm gonna love it more, because I already do. But I think that once it loosens up, I'm gonna be super happy with it. So that is my new girl. So let me know what you think in the comments, and my apologies for being gone so long, and forgive me if I'm rusty. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and aloha. Two more things that I thought were noteworthy before I wrap this up was the Louis Vuitton wallet. that I showed in my last video that I didn't actually post. And this luggage tag, it is of the old-timey trucks that I will post a picture of somewhere around here. And it's so funny because when I saw that truck, I was like, oh my God, I know that truck. And then my salesperson said, yeah, it's upstairs. They have a fake one upstairs. We go upstairs, and sure enough, there's that truck. And I go, no, I know that truck. And then I'll insert another picture of where I know that truck from. So it was just like meant to be. And thank you for the lovely Christmas gift. And I appreciate you.